All right, please welcome Lisa from Tempo with the track Maximize Utilization of Your Resources while getting insight into what they are working on. Lisa.
Hi everyone and welcome to today's info session. I'm really happy to be here because I haven't left the house in 2 years. In Canada, they locked us down quite tight. How many of you during the pandemic didn't really know how busy your teams were or other resources? And raise your hand if currently you're using spreadsheets just to track how you're planning your resources. I hear this as a big one. We know that Jira has its limitations too when it comes to resource planning. But with our resource planning tool, Tempo Planner, that integrates with Jira, you can easily plan and optimize how you're using your resources in one place. My name is Lisa Bracegriddle, and I'm a solution architect at Tempo. In this session, we're going to look at 2 main use cases and look at how customers can increase productivity with Tempo Planner and help their project managers, team leads, as well as individual users optimize resource capacity management. In other words, you'll be able to see how busy your teams are and see who is working on what, which is ideal for company transparency. First, a little history about Tempo. Tempo began as an Icelandic software company, which was founded by an internal need in 2009. Fast forward to today, Tempo is one of the top app vendors in the Atlassian marketplace with more than 20,000 customers. We offer 4 different apps that integrate with Jira and are sold separately. On cloud, they're Tempo Timesheets, Tempo Planner, and Tempo Cost Tracker. On-premise, they're Tempo Timesheets, Tempo Planner, and Tempo Budgets. Today, I'm going to talk about Tempo Planner on cloud to show you how you can turn your Jira issues and projects into executable planning timelines so you can quickly find available team members and maximize how they're going to be used. Our first use case is plan and get insight on your team's work. Many customers have mentioned to me that they want to know the availability and capacity of their resources across their teams. Here, we're looking at the resource planning overview page in Tempo Planner. This view helps team leads streamline the management of their teams and resources simply by filtering by either a team, a user, a role, or even a generic resource. You can see that Tempo Planner helps you optimize your resources availability by showing you areas that are under or overutilized. The colorful display you're seeing here, like the green check marks, the yellow lines or red lines, lets you see in a quick view if your resources are perfectly utilized for the day or over allocated. When you click on the down arrow beside the resource's name on the left, you can see all of the plans that have already been created on either an issue or project level. This view, the resource overview page, also helps team leads understand if they need to hire additional staff or plan on a generic resource when they're just not quite sure who will be doing the work. I've also been told that people like using Tempo Planner to show their managers when their teams are overworked. Users can simply come here to this view and create their plans with Tempo Planner. They can also go to Tempo Timesheets and see their plans there. So what I mean by that is a user can create, or a team lead can create a plan in this resource overview in Tempo Planner. And if the user is also subscribing to Tempo Timesheets, the plan will actually integrate into the timesheet so the user can see what they're supposed to do in the day. Another great feature that comes with Tempo Planner is you can easily manage shared resources because there's an approval feature when you're creating a plan. And that way you can guarantee that you can lock that resource down for that period of time. Tempo also has a reports module that comes with all of our apps. Here's an example of the plan time report for Tempo Planner, where a team lead can query in many ways to see the big picture. You can group and filter by many choices in this report, such as project by your team, user, or even a Jira filter. From this data, the team lead can determine if any team member is under or over planned, and then adjust and optimize the resources time. All of our reports can be saved and shared, and the report can also be exported to Excel, CSV, even a printable view. Customers that subscribe to Tempo Planner and timesheets also have access to the plan versus actuals report, as you see in the top left here, to help team leads monitor the actual progress of the project relative to what has been planned and alter other forecasts if necessary. To learn more about all of our reports that we offer, come visit us this week at the Tempo booth, and we'll be happy to go through the reports with you. Now let's take a look at our second use case. How can I plan for future customer projects? A lot of project managers need visibility into what their resources are working on while also coordinating future projects. Before committing to a new customer project, with Tempo Planner, managers can get insight if they have enough resources available to take on the additional work. On the resource planning page, a project manager can determine who in the team has availability to work on a future project and plan time on the project by reserving that resource. Using the date field at the top left, they can select the period of time in the future for this upcoming project and plan the resource. After creating the plans on a project level, the project manager can go back to the plan time report and see how much time has been planned to be invested in this new customer project. Our Tempo customers find Tempo Planner helpful because before a project rolls out, project managers are able to see if they have enough resources available. The end result is this. With Tempo Planner, you're able to optimize how your resources are being used while getting insight into what they're working on. Let's also talk a little bit about how our Tempo apps integrate with each other. In the previous slide, I mentioned how Tempo Planner integrates with Tempo timesheets. This is helpful because users can see their plans that have been set for their day in Tempo timesheets. The view we're looking at right now is the My Work homepage view of Tempo timesheets. The baby blue cards we see on this slide are actually plans from Tempo Planner that can be easily converted into a time record or work log with just one click. In summary, Tempo Planner is a single enterprise-wide source of truth with real-time visibility into each resource instead of using multiple spreadsheets. I want to thank you for your time today attending this session, and I'd like to mention that later today, I'll be doing a live demo at 4:20 in the NABU room, this time about our other app called Tempo Cost Tracker. As well, we'll be in the Expo Hall all week, and we hope that you'll drop by our Tempo booth and meet the team so we can show you all of our solutions and help you orchestrate your work.
All right, any questions? All right. No. Thank you so much, Lisa.